U.S. government declared genocide clearly, yet knowing that NBC and Comcast and others are broadcasting this genocidal game, I am very hurt, I am very sad, very upset about this truth. Just 2 days ago, the first day of the Olympic, I was there in front of the NBC's headquarters in New York with the Tibetans friends. We stayed overnight, protested, and asked them, demand them to not to broadcast the genocidal game. Couple people came out actually and said, we can't do anything about it. We do support you guys, but this is our work. We can't do anything about it. And I believe they can. They could do something, but they didn't. They preferred to probably get money, or there was something going on. What I think is Chinese government is committing a genocide and crimes against humanity, and broadcasting this Olympic is supporting Chinese government. Broadcasting this Olympic is supporting that genocide, being complicit in that genocide.